Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out on which date or time a folder is created, modified and deleted in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and Google search for one application name as folder changes view. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see your download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you can see the second file, folder changes view, is the application. Just double click on it. So now on the above you will see here by default the C drive is being selected. So if you want to change to the other drive, then just change this C drive to the respective drive. Say I want it to the D drive, so just put the D drive. You can select the particular drive also, so you can see here all the D drives folders is being showing up. So I'll just select the enter D drive and rest you can keep it as it is and just click on OK. Now you can just minimize it. So now let me try to make some changes in the D drive. So let me add a folder, new folder here, and let me name it sample. And now let me minimize it and let me open the folder changes view application again. Now you can see here one folder is being created. As you can see here, created count 1, and even I have renamed it, and you can see the path locations, and you can see the when the respective folder is being created. As you can see the time and date and modified date, created date, entry modified date, as you can see everything. So by using this application named as folder changes view, you can easily find out on which date or time a folder is created, modified and deleted in any Windows computer very easily. So if you've never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.